Hi guys! So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a pair of very cute flower heels. They're very easy to make and I hope you enjoy doing it as much as I did and enjoy wearing it as well. So to make this DIY, here's what you'll need. You need a pair of shoes, of course. I use ankle strap shoes, but you're free to use whichever type of shoe you want. You're also going to need some faux flowers and a glue gun. So shoes, faux flowers, glue gun. Those are the three things that you're going to need. So the first step is to start by detaching the faux flowers from the stem. You're going to start by detaching the faux flowers from the stem. Just do that and detach as many flowers as you think you need for your shoes. After doing that, the next step is to start attaching the flowers to the shoes, to the top of the shoes. And you notice that I'm going to do both shoes at the same time. And that's because I want to get similar results. So whatever you do on the left shoe, just repeat that on the right pair and play around with the flowers to get a design that suits you. That's what I did. So just play around with the flowers until you get a design that you like. And then just glue, glue, glue. Keep gluing until you get your desired result, and that is really it. That's it. It's not complicated at all. After I attached the flowers to it, I decided to go on and add some rhinestones to it just to give it an extra thing. I'm totally obsessed with rhinestones and I actually have to stop myself from attaching them to projects, but I have a bunch of them and I just felt like it would give the shoes an extra something. So I went ahead and I did that. So this is what the final result ended up looking like, guys. I really enjoyed making the shoes. I've worn them 3 times already and they haven't come apart yet. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you make any of my DIYs, please tag me. I would love to see what you make. And thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.